10, exercise 1.4, radical equations. Question number 8 I have written over here. I said that radical expression should be separated, but all are radical expressions. If I shift it to the other side, even then both will remain radical expressions, and if it remains here, so these two are radical expressions. So here radical expressions cannot be separated, so we will solve as it is. So how we will solve? To remove the square root sign, take the square, but remember whole side square, square of whole side, square of whole side, right? So now this is just like x minus y whole square, or first term minus second term whole square. So square of first term plus square of second term minus 2 into first term into second term, and here square and square root are cancelled, so you have a. So square and square root will be cancelled over here. You will simplify the equation, and when you will simplify the equation, coming to this step, this is plus a will come to this side, will become minus a. So 5a minus a, this minus 2 times this whole term is shifted to the other side, so will become plus 2 times square root of this term. Anyway, 5a minus a mean minus 1a, so will become 4a, and this 2 is divided over here, so 4a over 2 is 2a equals to this radical expression. Now this is radical expression, look at here, this is separated and here there is no radical sign, so take the square to remove this radical sign. So taking square over here and taking square over here as well, this will become 4a square, and here square and square root is cancelled, so 4a square minus 3x minus x square will come as it is. Now this is plus 4a square is shifted to the other side, here it will become 0. This is minus 3ax minus x square, or you can write it shifted to this side, minus x square will become plus x square, minus 3x will become plus 3ax equals to 0. X is common, so x times x plus 3a equals to 0. So this implies x is 0 or x plus 3a equals to 0. So x is minus 3a. So we have two values of x equals to 0 and x equals to minus 3a. Now we will substitute the values. X equals to 0, this is the question. Substitute x equals to 0. When you will substitute x equals to 0, so 4a plus x means 4a plus 0, and a minus x means a minus 0. You will get square root of 4a minus square root of a. Square root of 4 is 2, and square root of a will come as it is. So 2 times square root of a minus 1 times square root of a. So 2 minus 1 is 1 times square root of a. This is also 1 times square root of a. So left hand side equals to right hand side. Similarly, now we will put x equals to minus 3a. When you will put x equals to minus 3a in the question, here you have plus 1 times square root of a and minus 2 times square root of a. So 1 plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1 times square root of a. Other side is plus 1 times square root of a. So left hand side is not equals to right hand side. So x equals to minus 3a is not a root of the equation. So in the solution set, we will write only one root, which is 0, and minus 3a is extraneous root. Thank you very much.